Welcome to the mix, and on the mix is Dwayne, and now Dwayne is now lashing out at Saloni. Saloni had came out with a video, and he was countering that video as well. He was saying that he is giving her some money that Facebook was to pay Saloni, but it was not yet processed, but he's going to go ahead and pay her anyway before the time and give her a little bit more on top of that. But he's also tossed because she spoke against his nephew, which he says that's the wrong thing that she did, to call his nephew into an adult's play. So go ahead and watch the video and like, share, subscribe, and comment. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so when I post, you know. Comment away.
What? I can't. People share the video, share the video. What on and Sloaney, my little nephew. My little nephew ain't wanting nothing. Imagine, I'm gonna tell you a little story. Imagine my little nephew come to my house today. I said, Dwayne, someone hacked my Roblox. Put on one piece of ball and say, you know what I do? I said, alright, log in your account, change your password. I'm buying £50 worth of Roblox, darling. Bish, bash, bosh. But alright, you can tap ball now. Slowly go and sit down. Go and sit down. You're ungrateful. My battery was dying. Go and sit down. Slowly, my nephew don't want nothing. Me, but my nephew got we got a store and something like all in look at me. I'm look at him. I say, right away, want that? No, I say, alright, take you up. Slowly, my little nephew ain't want nothing. Yes, it's not my kid, but thank the Lord. I am so thankful to God. My sister brought forth this little kid, right? I love him like my own child. I love him like my own picnic. You see, because God ain't blessed me with a kid, I look at him as my little kid, right? Even if it's my sister's kid. Slowly, you go talk about my little nephew and think it's wrong blood clot. Stop, Saloni. Wrong stop. Cost anyone of my other family members, my nephew, wrong blood clot. Stop. You should have never do it. Right? That's all I have to say to you, so. That's all I have to say to you.
You have yours before him come for life. In dollar no in a house.
Erica, you have Dana private phone. You call Dana and ask Dana. And even better, go on over Dana YouTube, go scroll a video them. You remember the time when I said, me a scammer this, me a this, me a that, and no say, yeah, the big thief fire. Go on, listen to the video. You hear Dana say, big bad about Dwayne Fletcher ain't no thief. Dwayne Fletcher used to give how much money per our program. She thought I had my own business. She thought I was rich. Erica, go sit down. Go sit your blood clot down.
Come take the time, man. I went send come here. Everybody a sweep out. Everybody a sweep out for under the carpet, people.
Thank you. Yes, guys. Thank you for coming.
All of them a sweep out for under the carpet, people.
I need a hairdo.
And him build the page, give the woman, and call the woman, tell the woman, say him build page 3.
Okay, and what, Erica, and what? I bet you, Eddie Money, you would have never taken that initiative to help someone to stop. Erica, I bet you, Erica, why don't you have someone around you helping you to cook? So you can, maybe you can pay them to help you. Why are you doing everything by yourself, Erica? Because you are a competitor, and Erica, I took the initiative. I bet you want the definition of initiative. I took the initiative on myself. I approached him and said, yo, I'm going to build your page. Initiative again. this is your way of stopping to beg initiative again, right? Sloanie's ungrateful, and she's gonna stay right there and suffer. Erica, now you can get one of your people to go on her page and be a damn admin. Do something constructive and productive with your time instead of sitting on social media and begging and trying to tear down people where you're not build up. You, none of who you're affiliated with, you can't tear me down, you cannot tear me down. No day. Put it in your pipe and smoke it.
And he start the page by saying, call the woman and say, me call her.
Here there. You hear her? You hear her? I started the page when, what on there? And the other day, wasn't it the other day when all that mix-up come out? The page was built with Erica. Erica, you are a big, dirty, orange bitch. And you need help. You need help. You do. Go and love your family. Leg off me. I not see that. That woman, I not see you. We'll never see you. Never. You have a cuss till God come. You soon get guy ta.
Fit talk bo 99.
Yeah.
With the liar stinking self.
Are you stink? That's like you stink.
Enough more Tory come out.
Are you stink? You're the stink one.
Enough more Tory defi come out. Holy.
Buy some moisturizer for your lips. Buy some comics. Do something. Go and clean your black. Look at it. I'm a man, Erica. I'm a man, right? Look at my fingernails. Erica, look at my fingernails. Now put your fingernails in the camera, Erica. And you are cooking food for people, Erica. Put your fingers in the camera like so. Do them like finger like so. Now go see this. And I'm a man. Look at my fingers. Now look at the state of your fingers where I cook food. Look at dirty warring with chop. Now,
they're at the right place right now, and I will care all of them. I am gonna put all of them over on social media, yeah. I who for mama they on social media, and him and him mother blog, you know.
Erica, the time you have talking about my good up mother, Mr. Gonna look after plumbing and build plumbing one toilet. Do you want me to show social media plumbing drop straight? You want me to show them? And plumbing look hot, Erica. You want me to show them? And look at it. You live in a whole mansion. You have a bungalow. Plus you have that like a one room alleged kitchen. Put plumbing in a one. It is not that hard. Employ someone to work with you. Stop telling all the people their money for yourself, Erica. That is what you should be talking about, Erica. Leg off and moving on social media. But Erica, my mother's property here in Great Britain, I bet she's valued more than your piece of dilapidated haunted house. I bet you. You wanna bet? Do you wanna bet, darling? Erica, show us your assets. Erica, show your assets. Erica, why aren't you divorced yet? Erica, why did you divorce the white man yet? Talk about that, Erica. Why did you divorce Walter yet, Erica? Show your divorce papers, Erica. Talk about your assets. What kind of assets have you accumulated from a year they need to know, Erica, apart from the antidotes, right? The Probox where you thief the people their money. The piece of van what was on its last days. That very piece of van where you did parking up in a tax